doesn't sound the same when no one's really listening. We stumble into our lives, reach for a hand to hold, and in wonder we need to find a certain something certain. Turn out the light and what are you left with? Open up my hands and find that they're empty. Press my face to the ground, I've gotta find a reason. Just scratching around for something to believe in, something to believe in. You have too much, been spending all your time collecting and discovering it's not enough. And no matter how you try, you never find the one you want. We stumble into